think a way to see it differently would be to look at less of it as networking and more of it as learning. What happens is they become interested in your story as well, and it just makes a better conversation and a better experience. You're not networking for that specific moment. Very, very rarely when you network with anybody will something come of that very moment or during that very coffee or phone call or whatever it is. I mean, the other thing you're doing is you're each tapping into each other's networks. That's, I think, another big advantage to networking that's often overlooked is even if a person isn't a perfect fit or you're not a perfect fit for a person, you might know other people that are. You're kind of tapping into each other's networks, not just that single person.